This video is about step-by-step guide to create a Laravel package from scratch. We will create a package similar to Laravel Log Enhancer for this exercise. Let's start. We will create a directory with the name of the package and initialize the Git repository in it. First file will be composer.json, which you can create using composer init command, or you can copy the contents from stub like me. All of our main package files will reside inside the source directory. Next, we will add few lines of code inside composer.json file for a couple of things. First, we will inform the parent Laravel app about our namespace and location of files by specifying the autoload entry. And we will use Laravel's package discovery feature by specifying the service provider in the extra key. After that, we will make the service provider file. As specified in the blog, it is not compulsory for a package to have a service provider, but we need one in this case. I'd copy the file contents from existing package. In the boot method, we put the publish code so that the developer can export the config options. And in the register method, we tell the Laravel app to load the config options from our file into the web app. It's time to make the config file. We will create config directory next to the source directory as a convention, and create the config file inside the new directory. It is a file containing configuration options as an array, just like a regular Laravel config file. Take a note that I have been committing the code after each important change. You should do it too. It's a lifesaver. As the basic setup is ready, now we can go ahead and make the actual package classes which will enhance the logs of the Laravel app. I am copying these two files from the original package and updating the namespace to match with my package. We do not need to go into the details about how this specific package works. It's just that you will be coding the actual package classes at this point of time. Once you are done with the package classes, you can add some important files to complete the package. They are gitignore, license, and readme, which should have the detailed installation process and examples. Let me commit the change, and the package is ready to be released. We will add a tag to the latest commit to mark a stable version. And then, to make it live, I'll create a new repository in my GitHub account and give it the package name. As we already have a repository locally, I'll just add remote to it and push the changes to GitHub repo. Once complete, we can submit the package to the Packagist website, which is a host for PHP repos, just like NPM is for JavaScript repos. We will specify the URL of the GitHub repo and follow the steps. Cross the fingers, developers will be benefiting from your work soon. And it's live! Congrats! You did it! Developers can install and use your package now. I hope you learned something useful from this video. Consider sharing this if you like. Thank you! All the very best!